Hello everyone, welcome back, new brand video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix this type of error on iPhone and iPad, unable to verify app swift key. If you want to install any one app, then face this type of error. So how to fix? First of all, go back here, home screen, go back and open your iPhone and iPad setting. Then tap on Wi-Fi and Wi-Fi connection. Then tap on forget this network. Then tap on forget, and after a few minutes you have connect, and after that go back. If you use mobile data, then turn on aeroplane mode, at least the 30 seconds you have turn it off, and after that check whether the problem had been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then scroll down, then tap on screen time, scroll down, then tap on content and privacy section, then tap on iTunes and App Store purchase. From here you as can see required password. What you need to do is tap on don't required, and after that tap on installing apps, and from here tap on allow, go back and tap on app purchase. From here tap on allow, and after that check whether the problem had been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then go for the second method. Tap on chatting, scroll down, then tap on journal, then tap on date and time, and from here you make sure that turn on board toggle. If the toggle turn off, what you need to do it turn on board toggle and set correct date and time, and after that go back and tap on transfer reset iPhone, then tap on reset, then tap on reset network setting, enter your passcode, then tap on reset network setting, and after that go back and tap on VPN and device management. From here if you connect any one VPN, you make sure that disconnect, and after that check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then go back, go for the last method, open your setting, and from here tap on again journal, then tap on software update. From here you make sure that update your iPhone and iPad, and after update your iPhone and iPad, I hope your problem will be fixed. If the video is helpful, then like and subscribe my channel. If you have any problem, share with me in the comments box. I am helping more. Thanks for watching.